What's up everyone, it's Migss back with another video, and this video is sponsored by Comica, so thank you so much Comica. But rest assured, this review won't be affected because Comica sent me this product, the ADCaster C1-K1. I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion, and here's the features, feel free to pause it. But don't worry, I'm going to be going through those features in more detail in this video, so make sure to watch the video. And spoiler alert, the thing that has been picking up my voice from the start of this video is this audio kit over here, the ADCaster C1-K1. And I know that it sounds amazing, so bear with me here because there's gonna be a lot more features that is coming up from this video, so make sure to watch it until the end. Anyways, enjoy the unboxing. Now that we've got everything outside the box, we're now going to be setting up the mic and of course the stand. And after putting this metal windscreen, the stand is pretty much good. But if you don't like this stand, don't worry, you can always use a boom arm and screw this shock mount in there. After setting up the stand, now we go ahead and plug in the mic. Take your XLarge to 3.5mm audio jack and then go ahead and plug the XLarge to your mic. And then take the audio jack over here, plug it in the back of your ADCaster, which is labeled input 1 or in 1, and then go ahead and take your USB to Type-C cable over here, but make sure that you can take off the USB part and turn it into a Type-C, because there's another cable where it's a USB to Type-C as well, but it's for charging only, so it won't work. Make sure you use this cable over here. After that, go ahead and take your USB Type-C and plug it in the USB slot over here at the side of the ADCaster. Now take the USB that you can turn into a Type-C over here, and then we're gonna go ahead and plug that in the computer. Take note though, what I just showed you is for a PC laptop setup. If you're going to be using a phone with the ADCaster, you might need to use the ports at the back of the ADCaster, the outputs 1 or 2. Anyways, this is the power button for the ADCaster. Just hold that in and it should light up like this. After that, your mic should be detected now and you're good to go. Now, I want to talk to you about the features of this thing, because this thing is really an amazing tool for streamers, gamers, podcasters. It's a really good mic as well. I'm pretty sure you can hear the good quality of this mic. So here are the monitors. That is gonna be like the meter. I can see also if I'm peaking, if I'm too loud. As you saw, I plugged in my mic in input 1. I can control it with my input 1 knob over here. So this one. So yeah, making it lower, I can make it higher and higher and higher and higher. And then this one over here, the one that also keeps going up whenever I talk, that is for the monitor, and the control for that is over here, the big one. So the thing that I really liked about this big knob over here is it can control two things. Right now it's in the output, but if you press it, the light's gonna go in the other side. So right now it is on the monitor. So this should change the monitor over here. But the other one over here, which is the output, it's kind of similar to input 1. But the input 1 knob here only controls input 1. But then the output here controls the whole output. So if I lower this output down, it's gonna lower my voice as well. It is probably slowly dying. I can also just click this button over here, which just mutes you immediately, which is very useful. Yep. Another thing that is very cool is it kind of shows you here what level this big knob is. So if I turn it like this, as you can see, it kind of follows. It shows you how much level there is. And yeah, another thing, I'm sorry if there's a lot of background noise happening right now. And because of this button here, the noise, I can really mute those background sounds and let the mic focus on my voice. So let's go ahead and try that. Okay. I have the noise on right now. It is a huge help, bro. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the noise and let's see the difference. Yeah, there's kind of a like a highway beside me, so it's really noisy and annoying. But this the noise here. Okay, what the frig even is that, bro? Someone needs to oil their brakes, man. Turning on the noise again. Wow. So peaceful, man. Now the other two options here, the loop back, I'm not really sure how to use it, but apparently it's for like something like recording your voice, a playback. So now here we have duck. If you have a music playing in the background using the ADCaster and you kind of want to lower down the volume of that music and kind of higher up your voice, you go ahead and press duck. Now I don't think it'll work for me since I don't have any music playing, but yeah, that's its function. And yeah, let's not skip the phantom power. It has a phantom power for input 1 and input 2. You just need to click the knob over here. So if you click the knob for input 2, if that blue light is lit over there, then that just means your phantom power is on. Make sure that you do not use the 48 volt phantom power for the STA X2S because you will damage the mic if you use the 48 volt phantom power. So be careful with that. If you're curious about the knob in the last section over here, it's saying aux. So yeah, that's for aux. These pads are sound pads and they have really useful sounds in them. Here, it came with the instructions. So yeah, you can leave it here if you're getting used or you're not sure what sound it's gonna make, so you don't end up pressing the wrong button. This one is applause apparently, so let's see. Okay, here's laughter. Now here is cheering. Here is awkward. And then here is funny. And then this last one here is custom. So you can actually put your own thing. Right now I haven't set it up yet, so it doesn't really make any sounds. So if I want to make it stop fast, I can also do that. It's a small feature, but I really like how they did that. Now, I thought at first this is just for monitoring it, but this thing is actually touchscreen. So yeah, if you want to enable effects or put an effect to your voice, you just press this once, the screen over here. And now it's on tune. Hello. I guess if you don't have a very good singing voice, you can use that. Now when we press it again, it's gonna go to female. So let's do that.
Hello. Hello. Bruh. If I press it again, it's gonna go to male.
Okay, I just pressed it. Hello. So, let's go to robot next. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, it just makes you sound like a robot, bro. Okay, next we have monster. I wanna try laughing using this monster. Okay. Okay. If I click it next, I think that's gonna turn off. Yeah, that's just gonna turn it off. We also have rev, which means reverb, I'm pretty sure. So we have room, stage, and hall. So okay, I'm in a room right now. Reverb room. I feel like I'm in a comfort room. That's what it sounds like. Okay, now we have stage next. Hello. Hello. Hey! I feel like I'm using a karaoke mic or something. Next is hall. Okay. I feel like I'm in a hall. I feel like I'm in a church or something. Church hall. Hello. Now the next here is we have EQ over here. I don't know what that does, but I guess we can try. Right now I'm on deep EQ. There's deep, nature, and bright. I don't know what EQ does, but did my voice change or something? Hello, hello, hello. Did it make me more deep voiced? I don't know. Hello. Hello. I guess there's definitely a little bit of difference that maybe I'm just not noticing big time. We also have Bluetooth mode actually, and the battery life over here. And for the Bluetooth, this is how you turn it on. So you just switch this on, and now you can connect to your Bluetooth. This Bluetooth logo is gonna blink, and if you connect it to your phone, I tried it before. If you use a camera and you film a video, this is the mic that it is going to use, or whatever is plugged into your Comica ADCaster. That's the mic that it's going to use if you have it on Bluetooth, which is really amazing. It's like a Bluetooth mic. It's like a wireless mic, man. Just take note that it won't sound as good if you have it on USB, like what I have right now. If you have it on Bluetooth, the quality is gonna drop a little bit, of course, because it's wireless, but it's still very understandable. But yeah, all of the sound here works amazing with the Bluetooth, and it's really convenient as well. So yeah, that is for the ADCaster. As a streamer myself, this equipment is definitely a really good and useful combo. I can definitely use a lot of these sounds when streaming, when gaming, or just just playing with friends. Once again, I want to go ahead and thank you, Comica, for sending me this amazing product, the ADCaster C1-K1. Thank you so much. My review is not affected because Comica sent me this product. I just really find the product amazing. That's why I'm telling you it's amazing. But yeah, that will be it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I was able to help you in some way. Maybe finding the mic that you're looking for, or at least just letting you know what this ADCaster and this mic is about. I hope I was able to help. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to stay grateful, and I will go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye.